What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, just doing a little unboxing. I got a Whipple Gen 5 3.0 supercharger, and there it is for my wife's 2018 GT350. Here's the car. The car right now is just stock. Well, not stock, it's a Lantune E85 JLT Kohler intake and cat delete and Corsa X pipe. So I do plan on pushing around 750 on E85 though. So I would be looking to get like bigger injectors, because the one it comes with right now, they don't suggest you go over 7, I believe, on those injectors, 72 pounds. So I'll be looking into like 1050s or something like that. So let's get to it. So first box is in here. Okay, so this is the blower. It is powder coated white to match the white stripes in the car. So I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. So like I say, we did get it powder coated white just to match the white stripes in the car. It's been sitting here for about 2 months already. Just haven't had time to get to it. So let's see what's in the other box. Let's set the camera down. Get this out of the way for now. And it's heavy. And I'm guessing the other parts are gonna be in here. That's just the blower. It's the unit over there on that one. So look, we've got a bag of hoses, guessing for the intercooler stuff. There's the water intercooler. These parts for the intake. Yeah, just a coupler for the intake. The housing for the mat. This is the pulley systems. The fuel rail. I don't know what this is. This is VMR for some reason on it. Oh, the motor mount parts. Let's see what's in here. VMR. Oh, the brackets. What's in here? all the RTD tune for the Whipple, which is gonna be getting Lund tune. Instructions, some stickers, and a Whipple license plate. It's probably gonna be the heat exchanger. Yeah, it's a heat exchanger. We got more hoses, fittings, all the parts we need. Spark plugs, fuel injectors. Like I said, I'll be upgrading the fuel injectors, so these are gonna be probably going up for sale. Bolts, harnesses, let's see the box. Oh, the colder intake. Yeah, colder intake. So I'll be taking everything out of the boxes, setting on the table. So I'll be back. So there you have it, guys. There's all the parts for the blower set up on the table. Like I say, it is white. I don't know how clean it's gonna stay, but the car doesn't get driven much. It has 29,000 miles. So I don't know. I'm still debating if I should do oil pump gears and sprocket. Some people say to do it, some people say not to. The car only has 29,000 miles. It's not gonna be a drag car, just, you know, just to have the horsepower when it's needed. So let me know in the comments if you guys think I should do oil pump gears, sprocket. If not, let me know. Once again, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.